If you have an iPhone and you're looking for the restart button but can't find it, the iPhone really does not have a direct restart button on the power screen like most Android phones. When you press the power button with the volume button, what appears in front of you is slide to power off. That means power off only. So the question is, what if the iPhone is slow? What if some apps are stuck? What if the screen keeps freezing? What if you want to restart it quickly without having to turn it off and then turn it back on manually? Here comes a method that so many people don't know. Open Settings. Scroll down to Accessibility. Go into Touch. Open AssistiveTouch and turn it on. A small circle will appear on the screen. Tap it. Choose Device. Then More. And you'll find an option called Restart. Tap it, and the iPhone will turn off and back on by itself. This is considered the easiest way to do a real restart without using the buttons every time. So why didn't Apple make the restart button clear for the average user? Apple does not have a clear official statement saying, "We removed the restart button because of this." So we cannot say the reason is 100% confirmed. But based on the design of iOS itself, the closest reason is Apple treats the iPhone as a device for the average user, not as a device that needs daily maintenance. So instead of putting many options on the power screen, it kept the visible and simple option as power off only. And if you need a restart, you can do it from AssistiveTouch. And if the device freezes, you can use Force Restart. Let me quickly explain the difference because many people get confused between them. Shutdown means you turn the iPhone off completely, then you turn it back on yourself using the power button. Restart means the device turns off and turns back on by itself. Force Restart is used when the iPhone freezes, the screen does not respond, or the device is completely stuck. And if you have a modern iPhone with a side button, the Force Restart method is like this. Quickly press the volume up button, then quickly press the volume down button, then press and hold the side power button, and release it only when the Apple logo appears. And it's very important to know that Restart, or Force Restart, does not delete your photos. It does not delete your apps. And it does not format your phone. It only restarts the system from the beginning. And this can help if the device becomes slow, if apps are stuck, or if something is not working normally. But pay attention. If your problem keeps happening every day, then restart is not a final solution. At that point, check the latest update, monitor your storage space, and look at the apps that are draining battery or running too much in the background. In the end, I'd like you to tell me in the comments, did you know your iPhone has a restart button or not? And if this information saved you a lot of searching, hit like and subscribe, because there are simple iPhone settings that many people miss, but they make a big difference in everyday use.